Everyone, I am Dr. Naveen from Jaipur. I came here for the spine endoscopic fellowship, and I had a very great experience with all the colleagues, and sir was really nice, and the techniques of the teaching were very wonderful. And in 2 days course only, I used to feel that I have actually learned the entire process from beginning to the end very nicely, and it was a great opportunity, and so much time I got for the hands-on training, and I performed 2 to 3 times the same procedure. It was really nice, and I suggest all to join the MISSEP course from Pankaj sir, and it was really a great experience. Easy going. It was easy going. We started at 9 in the morning, and we finished nearly every day. We finished at 4 to 5. And tea break was there, and refreshments were there, lunch was there. So it was not at all exhausting. It was really very nice.
How was the overall experience, the staff and friendliness of everybody around?
Very, very nice, very nice. Cleanliness was also very good. Arrangements were awesome, and we got an opportunity, a very good opportunity we got here for the training, and the people are really good.
Are you feeling confident after this training?
Yeah, definitely. I would like to start my own endoscopy, and I'm planning to purchase the instruments and start my own soon.
Would you suggest or advise others to go for, your friends to go for this course?
Yes, definitely. I already recommended 1 or 2 people to join this course in the January or February batch, and I'm also joining the 15-day course, live course, and that will join in December.
How was your experience with Dr. Pankaj as a mentor?
Pankaj sir is really very great. Firstly, I thought before coming, I thought that he will be very strict, and he will not give so much time. But personally, he is giving time to each and every candidate. He is giving personally time, and he is every single doubt he is clearing. I raised so many doubts, and again he is doing the same procedure on the cadaver, and same even a little bit of doubt he is clearing theoretically and practically both.
Thank you.
Very good.
Thank you so much.